Are you running a poultry farm and still switching water motors manually? Water tank overflow, motor dry run, high electricity bills, and no proper monitoring? And don't know the water quality? In poultry farming, even small water issues can affect bird health and growth. Now, upgrade to Adian Sync Smart Water Motor Controller. Automatically controls motor on and off. Prevents overflow. Protects from dry run. Monitor everything in real time from your mobile. Now monitor complete water quality. pH, ORP, TDS, temperature. Get live charts and instant alerts based on the thresholds you set. Ensure healthy water. Ensure healthy birds. Save water. Save electricity. Protect your poultry investment. Run your farm smarter. If you have a poultry farm in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, contact us today.